Can you change your YouTube channel name just using this, your phone or any other mobile device? Yes, I think you can, and I'm going to do this right now in front of you in real time so that you can follow along step by step. Hello, I'm Neil and I'm a development producer helping high achieving creators and performers just like you to get ideas out of your head and out onto here on YouTube. And you and me are going to do this right now. So I'm going to punch up my screen. Now, as you can see, I'm using an Android phone, but I think this method works for any mobile device or even an iPad or iPhone. If it does work for you, please leave a comment below and let me know how you get on with this. First thing we need to do is to click on your face in the top right hand corner, and it's crucial that you're logged into the correct channel if you have more than one. If you need to switch accounts, you can just click on switch account and choose the channel that you want to change. Now I don't want to change the name of this channel, I want to change the name of this channel. So now we're definitely logged into the correct channel. We're going to click on the channel icon again and then click on your channel. Now this brings up your channel homepage, and we actually have 3 different menus that we can alter things on our channel. There are the 3 dots on the top right hand side where you have settings there. This isn't what we need, but just to show you, you've got all these other settings for your channel on those 3 dots. We also have manage videos, where you can see all of the videos on your channel, even the unlisted and private ones, which is useful. But we'll go back because the button we want is edit channel. And here we have a page of channel settings. The setting that we need, and it's not entirely super obvious, but this pen icon here, if I click on it, it brings up the name of your YouTube channel. So we can change this right now. I want to change my channel name to this, Neil's Trains and Stops. I've got to come up with a better name. If you can think of a better name for my geeky train channel, leave a comment in the comments below. But I'm going to click OK for now. This is what it's going to be called, Neil's Trains and Stops. That works. But you might not have had that box come up. Your box might look like this, and obviously it would have the first name and last name of your YouTube channel here, not first name, last name. If your channel name change box looks like this and you don't want it to be first name last name, I have a whole other video that walks you through how to turn your personal YouTube account into a brand account. It sounds really complicated, but it's really simple and straightforward. I made a video all about it. That link is on screen now and in the description. But if this video is helping you, why not consider hitting the thumbs up or subscribe for some more other tips. And right here is what YouTube thinks you want to be watching next.